Alright, the first step you have to do is to go to the shape, the insert tab. You have to click on the insert tab. So you are going to insert a shape at the bottom of our work page. So when you click on the insert tab, we're going to locate the shapes here. So locate the 90 degrees triangle shape, which is here. So click on it. So let's go to the bottom. So we can draw it here. Something like this. Alright, so let's remove the shape outline. Let's make it no outline. Alright, so let's right click on it to give it the shape fill. That's the color of it. So let's choose color black. When the properties appear here, let's click on the fill here. So from there, we'll change the color to color black. Something like this. Alright, so let's position it at the corner here. Alright, so you can make it do it this way. So you can also do your own, position it well at the right side of your screen. Alright, so from there again, we are not done with it. Let's increase the size a little bit. So we have to duplicate this one to make it 2, something like this. So let's change the color of that one also to color red, something like this. Alright, so that one, let's bring it here and send it to the back. So how do you send it to the back? You see the shape format there, so click on the shape format. So we have send backward. So when you click on it, you see that you send it to the back. Alright, so let's bring it out something like this. Alright, so again, we are not done there. We have to go back to the insert tab. There, click on the insert tab. Click again at the shape. So again, click on this triangle. Alright, so let's come to the bottom again and draw it. Alright, so by drawing the triangle this way, again, we have to remove the outline, make it no outline. And the color of it, you can change it to color red, but not the one that we choose earlier on, but rather this one. Alright, so not the dark red, just the red. Alright, so let's position it well. Alright, so I want to reduce the size of it to something like this, and also position it at the corner here. I can pull this one to this side. Alright, so something like this is not bad for our design. So let's duplicate it to this side, and now let's reduce the size of it. Okay, we can leave it that way, but the most important thing now there is to change the color of that one again. So let's choose the dark red, which is here. So you can click on it. Alright, so let's rotate it by doing it this way. Alright, so we are sending it to this side. Alright, so that one also, so under the shape format again, we want to send that one to the back. So click here to send it to the back. Click again to send it to the back. So something like this is okay for our design. Alright, so next thing again that we have to do is to duplicate these ones, the one at the bottom, or what we did here. We are going to duplicate it to the corner of our screen, top corner of our screen. So I would like to duplicate this one. So I'll just click and hold my control key to drag to duplicate. Alright, so I'm doing it something like this. So I'm sending it to the corner there. Alright, so I'll go and pick the other one also, the other color, which is this one. Duplicate that one also and send it there. Alright, so that one is on top of it. So let's send it to the back again. Alright, clicking here to send it to the back. Alright, so you can do the same thing, applies to all of it. So after this one, we're going to take that last shape that we choose to also position that one also at the corner here. Alright, so the last shape, which is this one, the triangle here, I'll duplicate that one also to that side. Alright, and again, we are going to rotate that one also, something like this. Alright, so bringing it here also will be nice. Alright, and not only that, let's send that one also to the back. Click again to send it to the back. Alright, so as you can see, let's zoom out a little bit. It's a little bit fit. So you can customize it to whether to reduce the size or to increase the size. Alright, so the next thing again we have to do again is to go to the insert tab. We have to insert another shape now. So from the shapes, we want to insert this shape. Alright, so that one also, let's remove the outline, make it no outline. And the color of it, let's choose this color. Alright, so you can position it here. Alright, by reducing the weight of this one, we can pull this one to reduce the weight of that one. And you can also pull this one also to reduce the weight of the other one to something like this. Alright, so let's position it at the corner. Alright. So duplicate that one also to the right side, the right bottom. Alright, so let's rotate it. So this is the rotate button. Let's just use that one to rotate it. Alright, something like this. So as you can see, our design is moving on gradually to the right, to the destination of wherever we want to reach. Alright, so again, one thing again that we like to do again is to go to the Insert tab and click on the text box button. So click on it to insert a text. Alright, so when it comes, click on the draw text box. So draw a text box. Alright, so the text box, make it the outline, make it no outline, and also the shape fill, we are making it no fill. Alright, so inside of it you can write your company name. So for the sake of this video, I will not insert any company name here. I'll just write company name. Oops, it must be caps. Company name. Alright, so I'll not stop there. Let's edit it. So the font of it, let's give it Bernard. Where is it? Alright, it's here. I'll choose the Bernard, and the size of it, I'll make it 16. Let's position it to this side. Okay, something like this. I'll send it this way. Alright, this way is okay. Let me cut this one off. Alright, so the color of it, we can make it probably the red, and I can reduce this one this way. So we can place it here. Alright, so let me duplicate this one to the bottom here. This one will come back to edit it because you have to insert a logo at the front of the company name. You have to insert a logo there. So I want to deal with the others before we come and insert the logo over there. Alright, so this one also, by clearing it off, we would like to type to. So we'll come down there, and we are going to type the receiver of the letterhead. So the name is Kevin Owens. Kevin Owens. So the color, let's make it black. Alright, the color will be black. And coming to the bottom, we'll also insert the address. So I'll make it anywhere straight. Just make it 1123. Alright, so we can increase it a little bit, something like this. Alright, so I'll just position it to this side. So as I said earlier on, you can also position it to the inside the work document, so everything will be fit. So inside of this one, we are going to write the date, so which will be August 8th, 2025. Oops. Alright, so I can also send this one to this side and duplicate this one also to the bottom. Alright, so let me increase this one. Alright, so the top here, it will be Kevin Owens. So here, let's automatically generate a random text here for the body. So I want 2 paragraphs, each consisting of 3 lines. Something like this, boom. So it will be there. So let me change the font of this one to Area. So I want the area. What is it? Okay, I'll choose this one. And the size of it, let's make it 14. Alright. So the Kevin Owens, let's increase the size a little bit. And the color of it also, let's change it back to the color red. Alright, so something like this is okay for us. Alright, as you all know, we are not done yet. So the next thing again that we like to do again, I would like to take this one. Let me push this one to the top. I would like to also duplicate this one again to the bottom. So inside of this one, I would like to just type a text like regards. So I'll make it Calibri. I can place it here. And also duplicate this one to this side. And inside of this one, you can write the name of name. Your name. It can be name and say name. Alright, so let me make that one bold. Alright, so duplicating this one to this side. Here will be general manager. So we can change the color to something like this. Alright, so in between here, that's where the signature has to be inserted in. So we can duplicate this one to this side. Alright, so inside of this one, there must be, we want to add some 3 things there. A contact, a location, and an email. So the first thing I'll add here will be the contact. So that will be plus 00 000 000. I'm just inserting this contact for the sake of this video. It's not valid, so don't try to call or to trace it to see whether it will truly work or not. It's not a valid contact, so I will make it the 14. Alright, so placing it here. This one also, I can bring it to this side. So this one, it will be the location, so I'll choose the anywhere straight, and it will be 1 to probably 4. Alright, so lastly, I'll duplicate that one also here, and I'll clear this one off, and it will be the company name. So you can add a company name as, you know, the email address. So I'll just place something like company name at where is it, gmail.com. It's clear, right? Alright, so now let's go and insert the logo. So let me duplicate this one to the bottom, top. So I'll just duplicate it to the top, so I will insert the logo inside that text box. We are inserting it inside the text box because we want to freely move the logo around to any place at all that we want to send it to. So I'll just select all of this one, clear it off. Alright, so now I'll go to the insert tab. Alright, so from there we'll now click on the pictures, go to this device. So this is the phone, the phone icon. So we don't want to insert that one, so we'll go with the logo. So I can locate. Where can I locate my logo? Alright, so it's here. So just click on it and click on the insert to insert it. Alright, so you can see I can use the text box to move it freely as to any place at all that I want to send it to. Alright, so I would like to move this one to this side, and as this one is the logo, I'll send this logo here to somewhere around here. Alright, so you can reduce the size of the logo that of your choice. You can reduce the size of it, or by even increasing the size. It doesn't matter. So I will just come here. Why is this thing? Alright, so I'll try something like this. Alright. So we are done inserting our logo. So again, let's go down to the bottom, to the phone icon there also. I insert that phone icon. So I'll just clear all the text here. So then go back to the insert tab and click on the pictures again to insert our phone icon. Alright, so I have it here. I'll insert it. All right, you can zoom in. You can zoom in your listen, your document to have a clear view of everything. So I can make it something like this. Let me position all of these ones before. Probably remember this one to this side. Here also, something like this. Let me use my arrow key to move it. And this one also, I can move it to this side. Alright, so let me now move the phone icon. Alright, so as I said earlier on, you can zoom in or even zoom out to have a clear view of everything. For instance, I can zoom in. So when I'm zooming, when I'm reducing the size of the phone icon, you know, I'll have a perfect view of how it will look like. Alright, so I can make it something like this. This way is not bad for us. So I can leave it this way. Oops. I can leave it this way and duplicate it again to the bottom here. So I can clear this one off. Alright, so inside of this one again, I can again go to the insert tab. I'll go with the pictures again. We are now going to insert a location. Alright, so I have it here. What is it? Alright, so it's here. Let's click on it to insert it. Alright, so it's inserted. So let's move this one again to the bottom. That's for the last page, the last part. Clear this one off, you see. Alright, so we have to insert our mail icon. So I have my mail somewhere around here. It's here. So I'll insert it something like this. Alright, so the last thing left is now position all of them well. So like this. Alright, so if you check, you see that some part of it is not well, you are not okay with it, or you are not fit with it, you can easily adjust it to your desire and to your wish. So mine, I'll do it this way. So let me zoom out so we have a clear view of everything. So as you can see, I'm done with my design and everything is fit for me and everything intact. So thank you so much for watching and see you later in my next video.